Hi all you beautiful people, it's Amanda, and today I'm bringing you another makeup tutorial. This one is a January birthstone color inspired, so if you were born in January, this one's for you. Your birthstone is garnet, so I use a few different reds for this look for the eye, so if you want to see this look, please keep watching. First thing that you want to do is prime the eyes. I use the NYX eyeshadow base. And you can see I already have that on my eyelid. Next, what you're going to do is take a fluffy brush, and I'm going in with the Catrice Cosmetics, the Modern Matte Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm taking this shadow right here and applying it all over my eyelid and all over my brow bone. Okay, for that, still using the same palette, we're going in with the third shade from the left. It's this pinkish red shade, and just using an eyelid brush, we're going to dab that over the eye. Alright, set that palette aside because we'll be using it soon. Now, weird part. You're able to use, believe it or not, lipstick on your eyes if you don't have anything that resembles that pigmented of a shade. So, I'm going to be using two liquids today. The Wet n Wild Megalast in the color Red My Mind, and I'll be using the Jordana color in Sweet Marsala Wine. First thing, we're going to take the Wet n Wild Red My Mind, and it's going to go, we're just going to put little dots in the crease and on that outer V. And you're going to be dragging that down throughout your entire lid. So this doesn't need to look perfect because we're going to be blending it out. You do have to be quick with this because it does dry relatively fast. So take a brush, mine's already dirty from my other eye. And I'm just going to be blending this in to that crease. This you want to try and be clean about it. If you get some, just wipe it off. You could always cover it up later. Later. Okay, taking that Jordana color now, all we're doing with this one is going into that outer V of the eye.
You found hope, you found faith.
With that Catrice palette, so we're getting that back out. And we're going in with that pink shade that we use for all over the eyelid. And we're just going to bring that and brighten up this eye somewhat in the inner corner. With a pencil brush, thicker pencil brush, and mixing these last two shades. And we're taking that and into the V, the outer V of your eye. We're going to try and smoke out the eye a little bit. Taking the tip of an eyeshadow brush, an eyelid brush, we're just going to be dragging that line out across the entire eyelid. Now we're going into a completely different palette. This is the BH Cosmetics palette, the 88 Matte Color Eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to be mixing 2 shades for you guys. We're going to be taking these 2 red shades and mixing them. We're taking those 2 shades, those 2 red shades, mixing them, and we're going to be putting that, cleaning up the crease. This is a deeper color than the one in the Catrice palette, and match that liquid color a bit better. Drag it down onto the lid. Taking that brush again that we use for that liquid lipstick, and we're just going to be dragging it across under the lower lash line, kind of smoking it out with red. What we're going to do is just take any old bright white, and we're going to take a fluffy brush and go over on the brow bone just to highlight that brow bone. So after you're done with applying your liner, you have 2 options. You can apply falsies like I have in my left eye, or you can just whip on some mascara and then fix up the rest of your face and you're good to head out the door. I'm going to apply some falsies. I'm using the Ardell Wispies. So I'm going to apply those right now and see you in a bit. Falsies are applied, and now I'm going to be taking the Rock Couture Catrice mascara in the color black and just applying that to my falsies and blending in my natural lashes with those. Okay, fix your eyebrow and do the rest of your makeup and you're good to go. I'm going to do that right now, and I'm going to speed that up for you guys, so stay tuned. Thanks so much guys for watching. Again, this was for all you January babies out there for your birthstone, the garnet color. Hope you enjoyed this. And stay tuned for 3 Valentine's Day inspired looks. The first one will be launching this upcoming Friday. Thanks so much again, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe down below. Thanks so much guys. Bye-bye.